हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम सचिन है और आज मैं और आप मिलकर अल्गोंकिन कॉलेज जो पेम्ब्रोक में स्थित है उसका एक दौरा लेंगे। ज़्यादातर दौरा ये मैं इंग्लिश में करूँगा, बट क्योंकि मैं एक इंडियन हूँ और हम लोग हिंदी जानते हैं तो इसलिए हम स्टार्ट हिंदी से कर रहे हैं। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का दौरा। So welcome everyone. So this is the area that we usually call as commons. So whether you are coming from the east side or you are coming from the north side, you will be greeted with this area. So whether you are taking a particular kind of a break from your in between classes, or you are looking for a casual time with your friends, eating a good snack, this is the area that you will be using the most. So while coming down to the ground floor, we are going to the most important place, that is the student services area. So I will show you the student services area now. So as soon as you come into the student services area, you will be greeted by Leah, who is at the journal information desk, and she will help you to connect with the right person. As soon as you just get past the journal information desk, we have all the services that you might look into. So we have the fee officer, we have the admissions team sitting over here, then we have the financial aid office where like OSAP or any of the bursaries related thing, if you are looking, you can get help. Coming down to this way and towards the corridor, we will have the learning strategist over here. Then we have the center of accessible learning, and just next to that particular room, we have the counselor who can take care of any of the mental health or related thing. So if we continue coming down to the other side of the horseshoe, we have this community and student service manager's office over here, along with our marketing and event planning officer. And the last office that we come across just before going outside of this particular door is the GPS. So why we call it GPS? Because Shelly makes sure that you are having a successful time, and if you have any problem, just come and visit her and she can direct you to the right person. So this is the student association office, which generally comes up with many of the activities and events. Apart from that, all these events, they have three things. The first is the landing, which is the in-house pub of Algonquin College. Then we have on the next floor or the first floor, we have the fitness zone. And then we are going into the gymnasium where if you are interested into sporting activities, you will be using this area. And recently we have installed a rock climbing wall. So just next to the east side of our campus, we have our Algonquin College bookstore. You can take any of the books or gift items that you require. And just next to the bookstore, we are entering the first level of the library. So when you enter the library, you will be greeted by our staff who is at the main desk. And just behind our main desk, we have the reference section. And towards the opposite side, if you come down, you will have 25 odd computer stations where you can work on your assignments and take a printout as well. So coming on to the other side of the library, we have alongside the stack of books, we have this quiet area which is overlooking the Ottawa River. And in this kind of a beautiful backdrop with natural lighting, you can quietly sit down and have your assignments and homework done. So right now we are at the second floor, which is overlooking the commons. And behind me, we have the IT service desk as well as the second floor of the library. And if we continue down the corridor, we have the first and foremost the dean's office. And this floor also has the early childhood educator as well as office admin program classrooms. So we are right now at the third floor where we have the science lab where students are working right now. This particular floor also houses the business, the computer system technician, as well as the outdoor training programs. So right now we are at the fourth floor of the campus. This particular floor houses the health and community cluster of programs such as Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Personal Support Worker, as well as Police Foundations. So ये हमारे कैंपस का एक छोटा सा दौरा था। मैं आपका धन्यवाद करता हूँ। नमस्ते।